Have I ever burned down the house before? No! I may have come close. Why is it support? But I have never burned down the house. So just shush. Whabam! What's up, Whabammers? Welcome to Cooking with Stacey. This is the Monday Midnight Munchies edition. I'm teaming up with Breville, and it's gonna be amazing. What you making tonight? Well, Jill Frost, I'm glad that you asked. I am making smoky, cheesy bacon butter popcorn. Just let that sink in for a second. Okay, hold on while I pick my jaw up off the floor. And I don't feel like it's overly complicated to do. So this is something that pretty much everybody out there will be able to make. What type of bacon do you prefer? I've got your standard Kirkland Costco bacon, which I do like, and I use it in a lot of my dishes, but I've also got some turkey bacon, because that's fun. And then I got some bacon in this bag. So it doesn't have a name on it, but this is like your proper thick cut bacon that you would get from the butcher. So one of the things I've read online is if you're gonna do bacon in a frying pan, you wanna start with a cold pan and you wanna cook it on low and take your time with it. Lately, when I've been cooking bacon on stream, I've been doing it in the oven. But I feel like it's the healthier type of bacon, especially if you have a rack, so it drains a lot more of the grease and everything. I don't want this dish to be healthy. I want this dish just to be delicious. You know what? What am I doing? What's happening? I'm gonna move all of this over here. I'm actually really surprised how different the bacon from Costco looks compared to the bacon from the butcher. For my own sake, I kind of want to take a picture. This is why we're, oh, it's 11:11, make a wish. Okay, hold on. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, all right, I'm ready. So I want your guys' input. With the Breville gun, when you order it, you get 2 types of wood chips. You get hickory and you also get applewood. But they also gave me this extra package with more. So we've got cherry wood and we've also got mesquite. I was thinking for the cheese on the popcorn, I was gonna do applewood. You guys vote on the flavor for the bacon. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start grating some cheese. When I can hear my bacon, just a little bit. It's starting to sizzle. Maybe I'll even start with the cheese. I might smoke the cheese first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of saran wrap, put it over my cheese, and I'm gonna put this in, and I'm gonna set this other bite size of cheese so I can compare and see if I notice a difference once I use the smoking gun. Hold on, let me read the instructions again. Okay, place wood chips into the burner, which I just did. Place hose under plastic wrap. Turn smoking gun to high speed. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn it on to high speed, and then I'm gonna ignite it. And then once I've ignited the wood chips, I'm gonna turn it down to low. Make sure this all fills up with the smoke, and then I'm gonna let it infuse. Okay, I can do this. Guys, let's make some applewood smoked cheese. I lit the fumes. I'm turning it down to low. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Look, it's fire. Oh, it's like a campfire. It smells so good. Okay, turning that off. And I'm gonna cover this with saran wrap, and I'm gonna let my cheese smoke. Look at it. I'm gonna go check on my bacon. Bacon is looking like okay. It's cooking really slowly here. I'm so hungry. Let me eat some cheese. I'm starving over here. So now I'm gonna try a little piece of the smoked cheese. Holy crap. That is not the reaction I thought I was gonna have. Why is it so different? Wow. Dark Jedi, I didn't think the smoke flavor would affect it so much. Like, it is completely different, you guys. I'm so excited. Evangeline, hi. I want to just drop the mic and be like, I'm out. You guys can't taste this, but you should taste this because it's so good. Also, what did the vote end up being? Hickory one. Okay, cool. Welcome to Science with Stacey. So what I'm doing right now is I have 3 different types of bacon. I'm gonna smoke all of them with hickory. And what I really wanna see is after I smoke the bacon, I just wanna see how it affects the flavor, because maybe you can buy really cheap bacon and smoke it and it's gonna make it amazing. Or maybe it's still better to go with the pricier bacon that's a bit more thick cut and it'll be a little tastier and juicier. Let's do this! Smoking gun action! Whew. I don't feel like I'm ready. I wanna light the wood chips on fire. There we go. Oh, I gotta turn it down to low. Okay, that's one. Next one. Oh, I'm not ready. I need more hands. Help! My saran wrap shriveled up. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm trying to smoke too many things. Help! Why is this support? Okay, all covered. I think we're done. I'm listening to this in the background and I can't stop laughing. You're making my day better. That makes me so happy. This one was the only one. I don't think I had my container quite right when I started it. So I hope this one has enough smoke. So Mike is up here right now. Let's taste some bacon. All right, I'm ready. It's so good. When you smoke bacon, okay, so hands down, the butcher's bacon won overall with both tasting. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna combine these 2 steps, and I've never done this before. I'm gonna start by melting down my butter. My popcorn is still not popping yet, which is interesting. I think it's gonna get going. My butter is almost ready to go. So we're gonna switch over to the stovetop camera. I'm gonna put in my smoked cheese, and I'm gonna put that right in the dish. How does it look? Does it look clean in here again? I'm trying so hard to be more tidy. And my table is very wobbly because I don't have a real table and I use a bookshelf and a computer desktop. So that's what's happening. Woo! This is true. I hear popping because it's popping. Look at my little popcorn. This is so cool. I've never used one of these, I don't think. My understanding is it's gonna expand a lot, and that's when I'm gonna know it's done. I'm supposed to take the paper top off the Jiffy Pop. Oh! Fire! Oh! Hold on a second, I didn't know that! I didn't read the instructions! Do not allow young children to prepare unsupervised. Shoot. For best results, follow directions exactly.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh my goodness, it's smoky in here and not in a good way. Not like when the Breville machine did it and you're like, this is like a smoky campfire. Right now it's like a smoky, I'm gonna die smell. Stupid popcorns. Okay. I heard a little something. I think it's popping! Ugh. Now I want to shake it.
A few moments later.
It's gonna get loud.
3 days later.
Oh, I'm so tired. Come on, popcorn. I'm so angry at the Jiffy Pop. It's kind of satisfying to stab it with my knife. Oh. Oh, it's the worst looking popcorn ever. Well, it's not bad. You're great at burning stuff. I'm great at burning easy stuff. Again, bacon, awesome. My smoked cheese, amazing. Popcorn, can't do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of drench this with some butter before I start to pour like the cheese on. Okay, and now I'm just gonna let the cheese drizzle all over that popcorn. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. It looks so decadent and so unhealthy and amazing. Look at that cheese. Ah! Oh my goodness, can you guys see this? Here, I'm gonna hold up the webcam just so you guys can kind of have a look. How good does this look? Unhealthy just tastes better. Rumpelstiltskin, absolutely. I wanna get a bite that's got everything on it, like all the good bacon, all the cheese, oh, look at that cheesiness. Oh, look at that, look at it, it's so good. Okay, hopefully it's not too hot. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I kind of want to cry right now. It's so good. Guys, have a great rest of your Monday night. For all of you troopers out there who stayed up late, I hope it was worthwhile and you got to see this epic popcorn. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Everyone, sleep well, don't let the bed bugs bite, and I will see you on Wednesday. I love you guys. Mwah! Good night. Whabam!